Bridge the gap from concept to reality with the Panorama Assessment Tool. Welcome to the Panorama Assessment Tool, PAT, guide. Let's walk you through on how to compare your assessment reports using multiple reports from your company. Before comparing your report, we recommend you to have at least 3 to 4 assessment reports from you and your company's additional members for the quarter. Click on Compare Reports from the navigation to continue. Select User-Based Comparison from the drop-down menu, and then select all the reports that you want to compare. Now click on Compare Now button. Here you can view your overview of user-based comparison. The graph states the number of questions answers in yes, no, and unsure. Green represents yes, red represents no, and yellow represents unsure answers. You can view the comparison on different subblocks from the assessment you have taken. With 8 key blocks separated by purpose, people, customer, marketing, operation, reports, financial, and cash flow. You can also view all the subblock reports of each block, such as Purpose Overview contains vision, mission, core values, and 10-year moonshot, etc. Same applies for all the other blocks. Now, we'll show you a comparison overview of all the blocks and subblocks. The user-based comparison feature is a crucial feature. Using this, you can understand where all the employees of your company stands and how they align with other employees. And you can also identify how the employees align with the CEO. To view the question analysis comparison, click on Question Analysis from the navigation bar on the left. Here you can view what you and your additional company members has answered for each questions and compare the alignment of your company. For example, you can know that who is aware of your 10-year goals and who is not aware, and you can take actions based on the data. Another crucial feature is that you can download your question analysis reports in Excel format by clicking the Download as Excel button. Your question analysis report will be downloaded. Here you can view your questions, subblock and block names, and all the answers you and your company members have selected for their assessment directly from your local drive. To view Team Comparison, click on Team Comparison from the navigation menu on the left. Here you can analyze your team comparison graph. It will show metrics for team average and for each individual reports you have selected. Now, go back to your dashboard using the Back to Dashboard button. To view time-based comparison, click on Compare Reports. Select Time-based Comparison from the drop-down menu, and then select all the reports that you want to compare. Now click on Compare Now button. You can view your time-based reports overview from the Overview tab. This is an overall overview of your business replicated in a time-based graph to help you understand your business's overall progress and decline over time. You can view the time-based comparison graphs of the 8 key blocks starting from purpose, people, customer, marketing, operation, reports, financials, and cash flow from the navigation menu on the left. These time-based graphs will show time-based analysis of your reports, such as areas you have improved on and areas your progress has been dropping. You can view these reports for each individual blocks and subblocks, such as 5-year targets, 10 years moonshot if you have right people on the right seat or not, etc. To download your time-based reports, click on the Download Report button. Enable pop-ups if prompted to download your time-based report in PDF format to save on your local drive. Similarly, you can also download user-based comparison report and save it on your local drive as PDF. Thanks for watching, and if you have any queries, contact us at info@panoramamas.com.